A frequently asked question by our residential clients is, are blocked drains the responsibility of landlords or the tenant? The responsibility for repair of a blocked drain can vary depending on certain conditions. For example, prior to the commencement of tenancy, the landlord or the property manager is responsible for ensuring the state of the premises is in good condition, including its plumbing and drainage system. During the occupancy, the responsibility to maintain this good state is shared by both the landlord or the property manager and the tenant. The responsibility for any cost incurred for repairs may be determined by the nature and cause of the damage. In Queensland, the Residential Tenancies Authority considers the landlord to be responsible for a blocked drain when it is caused by the landlord or due to fair wear and tear, including age of the pipes, tree roots, and natural disasters. In such circumstances, the landlord is responsible to pay for any repair costs as well as the fee that the plumber charges to fix the blocked drain. But, according to the RTA, the tenant is responsible for a blocked drain when it is caused by them accidentally or intentionally. Hair or other products blocking the drain will mean the tenant is responsible for the issue. As such, the cost of the drain clearance charged by the plumber, as well as any other repair costs, are payable by the tenant. Talk to our team to learn more about blocked drains. Our residential plumbers are available 24/7 to assist you with emergencies related to blocked drains. Give us a call today to schedule a job.